Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to issue gift card on Shopify. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to access the Shopify admin. So log into your Shopify account and access the Shopify admin panel. Now, navigate to the gift card section. So from the Shopify admin dashboard, click on Products in the left-hand sidebar, then select Gift Card from drop-down menu. Now, create a gift card product. On the gift card page, click on Create Gift Card button. Set the gift card details. In the gift card's creation form, enter the necessary details such as the gift card name, its value, and any additional information you want to include, such as a custom message or image. Now customize the design. So choose a design template for the gift card or create a custom design using the available options. You can upload your own image or use the pre-designed templates provided by Shopify. Now set the gift card terms. So specify the terms and conditions for the gift card, including any restrictions or expiration dates if applicable. Now save and publish the gift card. So once you have entered all the required information, click on the Save or Publish button to create and activate the gift card. Share or sell. Now share or sell the gift card. So once the gift card is created, you can share the gift card details with your customers or make it available for purchase on your Shopify store. You can provide a gift card as a physical card or send it electronically via email. Customers can redeem the gift card during the checkout process on your Shopify store by entering the unique gift card code provided. So note that the exact steps and options for issuing gift cards may vary slightly depending on the theme and setup of your Shopify store. So if you encounter any difficulties or need further assistance, refer to the Shopify's documentation or reach out to their customer support for more specific guidance related to your store's configuration. And that is how you issue a gift card on Shopify. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day!